Hi and welcome back, and in today's video what I'm going to do is show you how to add alter tags to your images. So what is an alter tag? Well, it's just a bit of coding that you can add to your image, like what's just come up. Start with our simple video lesson resources, and also this is very helpful for the search engines as well, so they can actually understand what the image is about. So what I'm going to do is I'll just show you in a couple of steps how to do it. If you've got an hosting account with us, then obviously log in and do it from within there. If you're new here and you want to try this out, then you can always come over to the Simple Web Start website. If you go to Classroom Sitebuilder Demo, and then if you scroll down and click this link here, this will upload the Sitebuilder online for you, free of charge, so you can come on here and try out all the lessons that's on the site. So let's say, for example, we just click here on this template. There is videos on the channel that shows you how to do this, but I'll just show you quickly. So we'll come out of that. So we want to add an image block. So if you click on the content block, and as you can see, these are images. So just in this example, we'll click on this one here, and this is where you would add the image and then also add the alter tag. So that's how you do it on the Sitebuilder online. So if I just go back to the editor here, so this is similar to the block that I've just shown you. So what you would do is upload your image, and if you click to edit the image, and then you would go there, and then you can upload an image from your computer, and then the actual image settings is this cog here. So if you click on that, and this is where the file path is. So basically what that is when you upload it from your computer, this will be the file path that the editing software will actually find. So that's that there. Then you would add some alternative text. So I just add simple video lesson, and then the actual title that comes up on the image is obviously this one here. So you would write that in there, and then when you've done all that, save changes, and then you would be able to see the actual coding that's on the image. Now, when you're in the editor, you won't see it. What you'll have to do is go onto another browser, bring the website up or the page that you've done, and then you can hold your cursor over it and the actual tags will come up. So anyway, I hope this video has been helpful. If you're not yet subscribed, then please do, because it helps the channel out, and I'll be uploading more videos for you. So I'll see you on the next video.